Let's turn our attention briefly to a few matters of terminology before we move on. First off, what do we mean when we say someone is a pirate? Well, someone who robs and plunders the sea, obviously. But it's actually not as simple as it sounds. So the Spanish records all foreign ships that work to steal its acquired gold and other goods from the natives were considered.
Hey y'all, welcome to the lab and another quick episode, another unboxing episode. I got a bunch of cash on deliveries, so that means I paid a lot of duties. So that means we got some shit to unbox. So shout out to TJ for housing me the product and shipping it over safely. Shout out to Canada Border Services for charging me a lot of money. But we're here. So damn, man. $30 for 3 hats. Motherfuckers. But 3 beautiful hats. Fear of God. Athletics. And then this. Yep. Those 3. And then big ass box of jerseys. Shout out to CJ, man. My GOAT. Rerouter. Reshipper. TE2 logistics. Makes everything look so beautiful. A lot of good stuff in here. All right, so story time. I met someone who was a former player in the NFL. He played in the 90s for a number of teams: Jaguars, Browns. Jaguars and Browns. I was able to track down one of his game issue jerseys, team issue jerseys, and some cards from his playing days. And I ended up shipping it to him, and he ended up shipping it back to TJ because it's much cheaper. TJ shipped it to me. But shout out to Ernie Logan, man. So, oops. Shipped it. He signed two cards right there for his playing days. I'm gonna give one to a friend of mine that he did some work with, and this is the Holy Grail. So, team issues. So the extra super long. I guess that he could tuck them in, but I was able to locate one of his jerseys from his playing days. So I've never had a team issue jersey before. Old Jaguars. But he signed it for me. To Leon, best wishes. Ernie Logan, number 93, man. That is so dope. Thank you, Ernie. Great guy. Super, super cool guy. What's this? Oh, I think TJ just threw this one in for me. Someone did. Jackie Robinson. Damn, that's cool. XL jersey. Cool. I love opening this. It's like Christmas. I don't remember when I ordered. It's always a surprise. Oh, yeah. I mean, I hate I hate the Bruins, but the Bruins had a sale for their jerseys. So, and this guy is this guy plays for the Leafs now. So, you know me, man. I can't resist a good sale. I don't know when I'll ever wear this, but $260. I think the jersey was like 75 or 60. I don't remember, but it was a good deal. So, Weston, forgive me. I own a Boston Bruins jersey. I did a lot of Happy Gilmore hats. So that will match that. Oh, I forgot to mention. Ty Mathis' first collab with Hat Club, man. What a fucking sick hat. I don't own a Ravens jersey, so now I do. Didn't play the best for them, but Odell Beckham. I hate the Orioles, but I respect their game. And their jerseys are pretty. Tony Taters. Anthony Santander. It's last year's shitty version where the thing is low, so you know the quality is kind of going to be suspect, but this was on sale. And I'm on a mission to get one of every team, so. This was the other jersey that was on sale at the Boston Bruins. So we got a gold Adidas. David Pastrnak, so Pasta, 88. So I don't own a Carolina Panthers jersey yet, so I got the Hyperfuse. The quality's kind of shit, man. I always end up spending a little bit more. I don't mind spending a little bit more on. I mean, this is pretty cool. This is kind of embroidered. This is, instead of like a print, it's cut and sew. It's just subtwill on the name and number. That kind of sucks, but Hyperfuse chin jersey, pretty nice. I hate Philly basketball, but I'm trying to get one of each team. So Tyrese Maxey. This is on sale at Lids. So not bad. Is this authentic or is it? No, this is Swingman. Ooh, Red Bills. I love the Red Bills jersey. Stephon Diggs. I know he doesn't play there no more, but not bad. What level is this? I think this is just a regular level. There we go. My San Fran jersey. And now my San Fran is complete. We got a little Debo Samuel. I think I'm picking up a chairman. I'm in Micah Parsons. Oh, my Boston jersey's finally complete. Number 11. So this is the authentic level. Yeah, see the authentic collection. So no name at the back. Jersey feels heavy too. Rafael Devers, Rafi. When he got traded, I think that was like a $400 jersey, went down to $100. So I don't have a Boston jersey yet, so this is an eBay purchase. Rare to find stuff brand new still in Majestic, but Toronto Blue Jays. I'll probably turn this into a Vernon, maybe a Roy Halladay, but Toronto. This jersey was on sale. I don't have a Phoenix Suns, so I was able to cross this off the list. Probably not the most prolific Phoenix Suns player, but nonetheless, Kevin Durant, little KD action. And last but not least, so I have I don't know if you can see it, but I have a Colts jersey here. Andrew Luck. Shout out to Andrew for signing that. But I don't have one where I can wear. So to cross the Colts off my list for jerseys I can wear, because I'm not going to wear that one. Got a Shaquille Leonard jersey. Hyperfuse level. So here these are cut and sew. I don't really know much about the player, but it's got Leonard on the back. Kind of has my name on it, right? So Colts. But yeah, that's it. Shout out to you guys for watching. I love creating content like this. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Your favorite pickup that I grabbed. And until next time, I'm out here. Peace.
Brought to you by VFTV.
Let's turn our attention briefly to a few matters of terminology before we move on. First off, what do we mean when we say someone is a pirate? Well, someone who robs and plunders.